Hey there, Snapchat has emerged as a platform where friendships are measured in streaks. Those consecutive days of shared moments captured in the blink of a snap. Losing a snap streak can feel like a missed heartbeat. But fear not, in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can recover your streaks for free. So for this I am here on my phone screen. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat, and once it is open your chats here. As I scroll down, here you see a streak ended, and in front of person name you see the restore option. So if I clicked on it, it's saying that restore your 130-day streak. That means you have the superpower to restore up to 5 lost streaks every month. It's like a monthly bonus to keep those snaps connection alive and thriving. So if you have ever had a streak slip away, fear not. Snapchat's got your back with this feature that lets you bring back up to 5 of those streaks each month. Okay, so now as I clicked on restore, you will see my snap streaks is recovered. And there you have it. You can bring up to 5 snap streaks each month. So if your streaks ever disappear, don't worry. You have got this cool feature that lets you bring them back. It's like a little magic to keep your snap connection strong. So go ahead, restore those streaks, share your snaps, and keep having fun on Snapchat. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or confusion, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!